Upgrade kitchen ergonomics during new construction to improve workflow and reduce daily strain. Focus countertop heights on specific tasks by setting a primary cooking surface at 36 inches for most cooks and lowering a dedicated baking area to between 32 and 34 inches to reduce wrist and shoulder strain during prolonged rolling and mixing. Place the dishwasher adjacent to the sink with a minimum of 18 inches of clear landing space on the side where dishes are loaded to prevent awkward reaches and to allow a full door swing without blocking traffic. Consider a drawer-style dishwasher for easier loading and unloading if bending is a challenge or if frequent placement of heavy cookware on the open door is undesirable. Install pull-out shelves in base cabinets and full extension drawers for pots and pans to keep items at waist level and eliminate deep bending into cabinets. Use corner solutions like a Lazy Susan or blind corner pull-out to make that space fully accessible and avoid reaching into dark voids. Add under-cabinet lighting and toe-kick drawers to illuminate work surfaces and use otherwise wasted space for flat storage such as baking sheets or cutting boards. Common mistakes include setting a single uniform counter height across every task, which forces repetitive strain when switching between jobs. Fix this by planning differentiated work zones and installing at least one lowered prep or baking counter. Another issue is placing the dishwasher too far from the sink, which creates carrying and dripping across the floor. Resolve it by locating the dishwasher within one cabinet width of the sink and providing a clear loading landing. A third concern is deep fixed shelves in base cabinets that require kneeling and twisting. Change those to pull-out shelving or full extension drawers so items slide out to the user. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors suited to kitchen ergonomic upgrades, and it helps contractors find projects that match their skills and availability. We also host an active discussion community so homeowners and professionals can share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.